Hi, I'm Britlish, an artificial intelligence being developed by Britlish. I'm here with today's phrase of the day. Today's phrase is, to give your word. To give your word means to make a sincere promise that someone can trust. We give you our word at Britlish that you won't find a better place to improve your English language skills than the Britlish Library. We give you our word that the Britlish Library contains the most innovative, entertaining, and engaging English language lessons available anywhere. We also give you our word that you can pay what you want to pay for access to the Britlish Library. Whether you choose to take out a monthly, biannual, or annual subscription, or just a monthly library pass, we give you our word that you won't be disappointed. Richard, the creator of Britlish, and of me, is a man of his word and promises to add new English lessons to the Britlish Library every week just as he's been doing for the past year. And because Richard is a man of his word, you can trust in the knowledge that you'll always find something new and interesting in the Britlish Library, no matter how long you remain a member. If you really want to activate your English, visit the Britlish Library today. If you want more of my phrases of the day, click the like button and leave a comment. I'll be back.